Hey, welcome back. It's Riyan here, and you're watching Programming and Tech. So, welcome to our 8th lesson of a full, complete, free Python course. Before moving on to the lessons, I don't want you to tell it. I don't want me to tell it again and again, but you're not doing, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to share it to your knowns, your friends, your family. Tell them to subscribe. And one more thing, you're sharing knowledge. That's a good thing. Next thing is, if you have any doubts, any queries, any complaints, you can use the comment section below. It's open now. So let's move on to our today's lesson. So we will be talking about print formatting. So let me quickly make a heading with print formatting. Okay, I guess it's double T and control black slash, and we are done. So in the next line I write, so for example, above sentence was subscribe to programming and tech. So these two will write the same sentence, subscribe to programming and tech. It's stretch here, so you need to also be aware of mistakes. So now I need to insert a word in this string. I cannot directly edit the string. So what will be I doing is shift plus these curly braces you can see, and I'll be leaving it. And out you can also leave some space because leaving space will give some order. Now I'll be putting dot format, and what should I do now? I'll be putting a bracket. I'll be writing, you know, channel, and now shift plus enter. And what happened here is, here you could see. So let me change it. Let me put single quote here, and let me run it now. What actually happened here? You saw this channel string has been inserted to this string, and where it is inserted, where these curly braces came. Now let me do some experiments with it. So I'll be removing its here space here, and when I run it, it's joined. I give a space, run it, it's done here. So that's how can you actually format a string. Now this is a dot format method, and this method is widely used, and it's used to edit your strings. Just like you edit your photos, you edit your videos, this method is used to edit your strings. So that's all about formatting. We will be moving to our next lesson soon. That's all for today's video. Meet you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell and share it to your friends and family.